Eggs are the complete source of high quality protein, contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own and must obtain from the diet. The essential amino acids are crucial for various bodily functions, including building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, producing enzyme and hormones, and overall health. In this video, I'll discuss why eggs are most healthiest foods on earth due to their impressive nutrient profile and numerous health benefits. Welcome to my channel SG Health and Wellness. I'm Swati, Doctor of Natural Medicine and Holistic Nutritionist. Research has shown that egg consumption does not impact heart health or increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Eggs contain unsaturated fat and are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids which are beneficial for heart health. There are so many importance of eggs. Number 1, eye health. Eggs can help protect the macula. Macula is a small area located near the center of the retina. Macula is responsible for central vision, allowing us to see fine details clearly and perform tasks such as reading, driving, and recognizing faces. Eggs are the natural source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These are the antioxidants. These antioxidants act as a filter for harmful blue light, and eggs can increase their level in the macula. They are found in the egg yolk, so consuming whole egg is recommended. Number 2, heart health. Eggs contain vitamin A, D, E, K, B12 and folate. These nutrients play important roles in cardiovascular health, including reducing inflammation, supporting proper blood clotting, and maintaining healthy blood vessels. While egg yolk containing some saturated fat, they also contain unsaturated fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These healthy fats can help improve blood lipid profile by increasing level of high density lipoprotein, which is called good cholesterol, and reducing the level of low density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol. Liver health. Eggs are the notable source of choline. Choline is an essential nutrient that plays important roles in the body. Choline plays important role in memory, cognition, muscle control, protect fatty liver, and DNA synthesis. Choline is specifically important during pregnancy as it supports optimal fetal growth and brain development. A large egg, about 50 grams, approximately contains 147 milligram of choline and is found in egg yolk. For the adult men, about 500 to 550 mg and women 400 to 425 mg per day is recommended. Pregnant and breastfeeding women may require higher amount. Hair health. Eggs can contribute to hair growth and overall hair health. Eggs contain biotin or vitamin B7, which plays an important role in the production of keratin, a protein that forms the structure of hair strands. Vitamin A, D, E, and protein in eggs nourish the hair follicles, help improve scalp health, and promote hair growth. Eggs also protect sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a medical condition characterized by the loss of skeletal muscle mass, strength and function that occurs with aging. Leucine, an essential amino acid in eggs, play a significant role in stimulating muscle protection. A large egg, about 50 grams, contains approximately 0.6 gram of leucine. Eggs are filling and satisfying food which can help to reduce your appetite and calorie intake. Including eggs in your diet can be beneficial for your weight management.